This is a Lennox air conditioning unit, and I think it was defrosting. It is in the low 70s outside right now, and it was defrosting. I heard it making this weird noise all the way over there, and I thought there was something wrong with it. It's either defrosting or it has some sort of low ambient kit. Oh, I think it has a low ambient kit. Didn't know what the hell it was doing. There are several Lennox heat pumps at this commercial property, and this one is running right now. Obviously in cool mode because it's in the low 70s and kind of humid right now. And there are 4 right here. And that one from earlier was not defrosting. I believe it was a low ambient kit. That's 5. And that makes 10. This one's also running. $11, $12, $13, $14, $15 Lennox heat pumps. And this is the one that was running earlier with the low ambient kit. I do not know why it had the low ambient kit cycling on and off. Because it is definitely warm enough for an air conditioner just to run under, like, in its normal mode. 15 heat pumps at a commercial property. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out. This unit is running again. And there it goes. I think the other one was doing the same thing. Oh, this one the blades are spinning. See if it does it again. Alright, there it goes. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.